What about
We'll get 2 GPA. No! We don't have hobbies.
I should have just.
We're low lives.
I should have.
We're just trying to make it through college.
stressfully?
In the game, sometimes life happens. Because just like in real life, life happens. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten this in real life, a parking ticket, as well as in the game, the parking ticket. And when you have extra stress that you're carrying because maybe you've spent all of your time, those parking tickets, when you forget to pay them, come back to really haunt you. And I know all about that. You procrastinate and get late fees. This is a great chance to actually talk about parking around campus, which there is never enough of on just about any campus. So the Life Happens cards gives you a chance as a game master, as a teacher, parent, educator, counselor, to talk about the real bits about college. Sometimes you get easy material. You know, when you've had a high school teacher who was maybe tough as nails, but they taught you so well, you have such an understanding that when you sit in a college classroom, you're like, oh, I know how to do that. In the game, easy material. In real life, a hard-earned A, but something that you're worth it.